Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to constantly vibrate your controller for whatever reason. If you want to go ahead and do this, you don't need to go to a game. There's actually a setting on your Xbox Series X. So we want to go to settings right here, and then scroll on down to devices and connections, and then go to controllers and headset, and locate your controller under here. So I'm going to go to Xbox wireless controller and go to the three little dots for more options. And then scroll on down to where it says vibrate this controller. Use this to check if vibration is turned on or identify which controller is being customized. So we can vibrate this controller. We can keep pressing this and it will vibrate the controller. So this will, you have to keep pressing A to vibrate it. A lot of times if I vibrate my controller a lot, I'll just go to like Call of Duty and just go to like a custom game and just shoot randomly. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.